Good morning guys, in front of me is TCL for the NxtPaper, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. First of all, open your phone dialer, then mark the contact that you want to personalize, select Edit, and click on Add Picture. Now choose the source from which you want to select it. It can be your device, photos, Google Photos, or illustrations. Choose whatever you prefer. Once you've got the picture, you can customize it however you like. You can also rotate it if you want to, and click on Choose to apply the change. Tap on Save, and that's it. From now on, this photo is assigned to your contact. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.